Okay, final question on the eight question, or is it? Yeah, on the first 8-page question. This is page 2 of the midterm quiz. We have this question here, which says -2 multiplied by 0.8x minus 6 is equivalent to -4.2. Really, Alex? Really? That's okay. So what we're going to do, that's okay, you're just playing a game while I'm teaching. That's fine, no problem. Uh, there's 2 ways we can do this. We can actually use what's called distributive property to simplify this side here and get a new equation, or we can actually use what's called division first. Both are effective ways to isolate the variable. So we're going to do distributive property first. So if I use distributive property, what I'm going to get here is I'm going to multiply both terms inside the binomial by -2 because I have not one group of this, I have -2 groups of it. So that's going to be -1.6x plus 12 equals -4.2. Now some people think you have to multiply this side here by -2 as well, but that's not true because if you look back at your equation, you had -2 groups of this is equal to this, right? So you just simplified it using distributive property. Subtract 12 from both sides because you're getting rid of the constant. -1.6x is equivalent to -16.2. And then what you're going to do is divide both sides by the coefficient. Divide both sides by 1.6. Sorry, -1.6. Use my calculator for this. 16.2 divided by 1.6 equals 10.125. So the value of x is equal to positive 10.125. Okay? Now doing that same question except using division first, here's what it looks like. We divide both sides by -2 because instead of having, if -2 groups of this is equivalent to this, then dividing it by 2, one of these groups is going to be equal to half as much, which is 2.1. I'm going to add 6 to both sides, 0 pair. 0.x is equivalent to 8.1. Divide by the coefficient. And I have x is equivalent to, and again, it should be the same answer, but we'll just double check. 8.1 divided by 0.8 equals the same answer. Right there, 10.125. Hope that was helpful.